My present topic is that is solid waste management. How the management occurs. I will go through a PowerPoint presentation. Presently, I am the research scholar, PhD scholar at Jadavpur University, and I want to tell or I am giving an idea about how to manage the solid waste product of your house, etc. Today, my topic is solid waste management. How to manage solid waste. I have to know first what is the solid waste management. Solid waste management refers to the collecting, treating and disposing of solid material that is discarded or is no longer useful. That is waste product, I think. And it is an important aspect of urban area management. Actually, various waste product generates at the urban areas than rural areas. Improper disposal of municipal solid waste can create unsanitary conditions that will leads to environmental pollution, that is air pollution, and very much detrimental to health, that is the outbreak of vector-borne disease. Right? This is the heap of garbage. You all of you shows this, and this is that waste collection, then delivering to plant, then waste processing here done. Waste processing is done here, and then this processed waste material used as fuel, and that generates energy consumption occurs here. Now I have to know in details the categories of solid waste. At first, organic waste, kitchen waste, waste from food preparation, vegetables, flowers, leaves, fruits, marketplace, it is include organic waste. Then combustible, and this is paper, wood, dried leaves, packaging for relief items, etc. Non-combustible includes that is different types of metal, tins, bottles, stones, etc. Toxic waste material is very much detrimental. That is old medicines, expired date medicines rather. Pens is very much detrimental. Chemicals, bulbs, spray cans, fertilizer, pesticide container, batteries, old batteries, shoe polish. Recyclable, that is paper, glass, this is recyclable. Ashes or dust, it residues from fires that used for cooking. Construction waste, rubble, roofing, broken concrete, etc. And hazardous waste, that is hospital waste or medical waste. Oil, battery acid, medical waste, industrial waste also is very much hazardous. And dead animals, the dead livestock animals is very much causes air pollution, smell pollution rather. Bulky waste, tree branches, tires, solid waste, hospital waste. Before this presentation I told you that medical waste is very much detrimental to health. It is tissue, blood and other body fluids. Mainly classification is municipal waste, hospital waste and hazardous waste. So how can I manage the solid waste management? This is the process is sanitary landfill, composting, landfills, incineration and pyrolysis, a process of combustion in the absence of oxygen. Vermiculture or earthworm farming. Vermiculture is very much important. That earthworm includes bioremediation, or use the microorganism that we culture the bacteria and fungi for the bioremediation, and use of microorganism is very much needed for the society. And next is reuse, reduce and recycling. Methods of solid waste management. So this is the most popular solid waste disposal method used today. Garbage is basically spread out in thin layers, compressed, covered with soil or plastic foam. At first, modern landfills have to design with the experts that at the bottom of the landfill is covered with an impervious or impermeable liner, which is usually made of several layers of thick plastic and sand, because this liner protects the groundwater from being contaminated because of bleaching or percolation. Groundwater is very important to society and also mankind, so I have to protect the groundwater. That's why I have to protect that landfill, modern landfill site, with the liner. When the landfill is full, it is covered with layers of sand, clay, topsoil and gravel to prevent seepage of waters. Next is incineration. This method involves the burning of solid waste. It is very much acceptable with high temperatures until the wastes are turned into ashes. Incinerators are made in such a way that they do not give off extreme amounts of heat when burning solid wastes. Incinerators that recycle heat energy through furnace and boiler are called waste to energy plants. These waste to energy systems are more expensive to set up and operate compared to plain incinerators because they require special equipment and it is highly skilled technical personnel, right? Next is recovery and recycling. Recycling of resources is the process of taking useful but discarded items for that is plastic bags, tins, glass, this type of metals, containers are often recycled automatically. But traditionally, these items are processed and cleaned before they are recycled. The process aims at reducing energy loss, consumption of new materials, and reduction of landfills. Recycling or recovery of resources is the process of taking useful but discarded items for the next use. Plastic bags, tins, glasses, and containers are often recycled automatically, since in many situations. Traditionally, these items are processed and cleaned before they are recycled. The process aims at reducing energy and energy loss, consumption of new material, and reduction of landfills. The most developed countries follow a strong tradition of recycling to lower volumes of waste. Composting. Due to lack of adequate space for landfill, biodegradable yard waste is allowed to decompose in a medium designed for the purpose. Only biodegradable waste materials are used in composting. It is a biological process rather in which microorganisms, especially fungi and bacteria cultured, which convert degradable organic waste into substances like humus. Humus is very rich in nutrients and with carbon and nitrogen, and which is we know that it is very much eco-friendly manure, which is formed from the compost. That is excellent medium for growing plants and cultivations and used for agricultural purposes. Pyrolysis is a chemical reactions occurs that solid waste management. Solid waste are chemically decomposed by heat without absence of oxygen. It usually occurs under pressure and at temperatures up to 430 degrees Celsius. The solid waste are changed into gases, solid residue and carbon and small quantities of liquid. So, I have to prepare 3 bins. At home, I have to manage solid waste and I have to prepare 3 bins, yellow bin, green bin and red bin. It looks like that: blue, paper, green, glass, plastic, metal. Yellow bin includes clean paper, cardboard, that is newspaper, magazine, egg cartoons, all types of cartoons, glass bottle, juice, milk, aluminium, steel cans and lids, aerosol cans, aluminium foil sheet, trays, all rigid plastic containers, and ice cream and yogurt containers. Organic green bin is the small branches, lawn clips, leaves, woods, cut flowers, pizza box, paper towel, tissues, pizza box, and the different fruits and vegetable scraps that are used for cooking, cooked leftover, meats, bones, eggshells, green and pasta, cheese, yogurt. And red bin is the detrimental, and it is the general household rubbish. Soft plastics, plastic wrap, clean film, newspapers, leaves, plastic bags, nappies, kitty litter, clothing rags, rope, garden hose, broken glassware, crockery, polystyrene foam packaging, etc. So I have to prepare 3 bins. So I have to prepare 3 bins for solid waste management that we can do in the kitchen and in the house. So we can follow the steps, which is very useful to you. So bye bye.